Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Here we are on a trekking. It is going to be so hectic as we are walking by foot almost for 40 kilometers. We have already started in the early morning before sunrise. So we will be able to reach our destination as it is a trekking to reach the origin of the water source of this African forest. So let us go ahead and reach the destination. Let us go and enjoy the beauty of the forest. We have got the pleasant weather as there was the rain, the first rain in the summer last night. So the weather is really cool and we are just waiting for the sunrise and we'll be able to watch it on the way. We are seeing the beautiful view of the destination. We may have to cross almost 6 peaks of the hills. Let us explore. Njanguwere. We are walking through the cultivating land in the forest, and maybe after we are heading towards, we would be able to be in the real forest. We can see a few storehouses in the forest cultivation lands here. We are climbing hill Mefa. Now we are climbing down the hill Mefa and we are heading towards the next hill. As we can see, it is in ahead of us. It's really good to walk and experience the beauty of the nature as we are on this trekking. As we are going ahead, we are able to see the storehouses in the forest cultivation lands. Right now we are walking through the beautiful bushy landscape. Now we are walking by a different landscape. It's the marshy land. So here we are exploring different landscapes in the same region. We are passed by all the cultivation lands. Now we have already entered into the forest. Now let us experience the beauty and the specialities of this forest area. Let us go ahead. We are walking by a stream, but there is no water over here. Let us expect that there will be water in the waterfall, which is supposed to be the origin and the source of all water in this forest. As we are walking by, we are able to see the nest of the eagle at the treetop. Two young boys from the local, they are directing us with the proper way. exploring our travel through this forest. It's really a beautiful journey. This young man is carrying a gold piece found in the forest in order to chase the wild animals as we are expecting it in the nearby places. It's a good tactic. We are traveling for almost the last 3 hours and we are so blessed that we have a good climate throughout the travel. It is really a cloudy day and we had early rain in the morning. So everything is in favor for us as we are traveling deep in the forest. Still, it is 10 o'clock in the morning, but we don't have the sun yet here. So it's a good climate for us to walk around in this forest. Njanguwere waterfall is right behind me here and we are in the top of a hill. Maybe we may have to get down to reach this beautiful waterfall over here. Now we are climbing down this steep valley to reach to this Njanguwere waterfall. It is so deep. We are just running down to this valley. We are almost nearing to this waterfall, as you can see in the deep valley. So it is going to be a good sight for us to watch today and enjoying the beauty of the nature. Oh my god, it is really hectic. We are going under the bushes. At last we reached the valley. Now we may have to head towards to the waterfall. So we reached the destination, the river, deep in the forest. Still, we may have to go ahead to reach the real destination, that is the waterfall. Let's go ahead.